Brian's 840, November 18th. Walked the creek for a little while after I found that first tool. Came up this tributary here. Got all the way to the end where I usually turn around. Didn't know if it was something. Plucked it out of the ground. It's definitely something. Yes. Oh yeah. How nice is that? Didn't think I was going to find anything in here today. That's where I found that broke Melville. A couple other really nice points. Awesome. I'm going to get out of here, go back into the main creek, see if I can't find one. Later.